Guys, for today's video is about pyramid. How to find bird feet of the pyramid. Okay. So, our formula. To find bird feet formula. Thickness measured by inch times width measured by inch times length measured by feet or by foot over 12. And the other one, bird feet or bird foot, thickness measured by inch times width measured by inch times length measured by inch over 144. Okay. So, dahil pyramid, ito ang ating formula, no? Bird feet equals base area measured by square inch times length measured by inch over 144. Dahil pyramid, itong base ay representa ng thickness and width. Tapos itong height, ito yung magiging length. Okay. So, measurement again. Measurement. Base area. 9 inches by 9 inches. And the height is 14 inches. Okay. Calculation na tayo. Calculation. Okay. 9 inches out. Okay. Bird feet equals open parenthesis 9 inches times 9 inches over 3 close parenthesis times 14 inches over 144. Okay, down pa tayo. Simplify. Bird feet, open parenthesis, 81 square inch over 3 close parenthesis times 144 times 14 over 144 again. Bird feet equals open parenthesis 81 square inch over 3 close parenthesis times 14 inches over 144. Okay. Simplify pa natin. Simplify, no? 27 square inch times 14 inches over 144. Again, bird feet, 27 square inch times 14 inches over 144 equals 378 cubic inch over 144 equals 2.625 board feet, no? Board feet. Okay. So, before to proceed another formula, measurement muna. Okay. Measurement. Base area, 9 inches by 9 inches. Height, 14 inches. Equals 1.11666 board feet, no? 14 inches over 12 equals 1.16666 feet, no? Feet pala, no? Hindi board feet. Okay. So, dahil ito ay pyramid, ito ang ating formula. Formula to find bird feet of the pyramid, no? Bird feet equals base area measured by square inch times length measured by feet or by foot over 12. Itong base area, represent ito ng thickness and width. Tapos itong length ay ang height, no? Okay. Calculation. Gagamit tayo ng over 12. Okay. 9 inches. Okay. Bird feet is equals open parenthesis 9 inches times 9 inches over 3 close parenthesis times 1.166 feet over 12. No? Simplify pa natin. Okay. Board feet, open parenthesis, is 81 square inch over 3, close parenthesis, times 1.166 feet over 12. Okay. So, simplify pa natin, ibaba pa natin. Okay. 27 square inch. Okay, board feet, 27 square inch times 1.1666 feet over 12. No? Baba ba tayo? Board feet equals 31.4982 over 12 equals 2.62485 board feet, no? Board feet, no? Ang pyramid pala natin ay may sukat na 2.625 board feet, no? So, ito ang volume ng pyramid, ha? Pyramid volume, ha? Base area times height over 3, ha? Okay. Volume, 9 inches times 9 inches times 14 inches over 3 equals volume is 378 cubic inch, no? Ang pyramid pala natin ay may volume na 378 cubic inch. No? I hope you understand and thank you for watching.